Hi everyone! Welcome again sa aking channel. Ang ating pang-apat na case sa integrals of exponential function is kapag ang given natin ay nasa ganitong form. The integral of a raised to u with respect to u, ang kanyang magiging integral ay a raised to u over ln a plus the arbitrary constant. So, ang ibig sabihin ng a raised to u ay ang base number natin is constant number other than letter e na nakaraise siya sa power na other than x. Kaya ang ating example number 4 is, what is the integral of 3 raised to 5x minus 2 with respect to x? Before we continue, please like, follow, and subscribe to my social media accounts. Again, ang ating example number 4 is, what is the integral of 3 raised to 5x minus 2 with respect to x? Dahil ito yung rule na ating susundin na kung saan siya ay naka a raised to u with respect to u, pero ang ating given ay nasa variable x, gumawa tayo ng paraan para yung exponent ay maging u at yung dx ay maging du. So we're going to let the exponent 5x minus 2 as letter u. And then, kukunin natin ang kanilang derivatives. Ang derivatives ng u ay du. Ang derivatives naman ng 5x minus 2 ay 5dx. Ayan. In order for us to isolate dx, divide both sides by 5. And then, ang ating dx ay magiging 1 over 5 du. So, itong letter u ay i-replace natin sa 5x minus 2 at yung 1 over 5 du i-replace naman natin sa dx. Kaya ang ating given ay mako-convert sa integral of 3 raised to u times 1 over 5 du. And then itong 1 over 5 ay pwede nating ilabas as coefficient ng buong integral, kaya mako-convert pa rin ito into 1 over 5 times the integral of 3 raised to u du. So this time, may i-apply na natin yung rule. So by following the rule ng a raised to u with respect to u, ang magiging integral nito ay 1 over 5 times 3 raised to u over ln 3 then plus the arbitrary constant. Then i-simplify natin ito. Ang numerator natin ay magiging 1 times 3 raised to u. Then yung denominator is 5 times ln 3. Kaya ang sagot dyan is 3 raised to u over 5 ln 3 plus c. And then, kailangan ibalik natin sa original value yung letter u. We all know na ang u is equal to 5x minus 2. Kaya ang magiging final answer natin dito ay 3 raised to 5x minus 2 over 5 ln 3 plus c.